Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody asked me a question, how you would get 13 stars around a certain size circle. I don't know what size star, I don't know what size circle. But if you rotate them 27.69 degrees, so we'll get out a calculator. Get out a calculator and we'll go 360 divided by 13 is 27.692, and you could run this all the way out. But this will be close enough, 29.692. And go to Windows, Dockers, and Transformation, click on the rotation, and you can type in that 27.6923. It's going to round it off, but Corel's actually going to do it. And we want 13 stars. We've already got one. So we're going to say 12 copies. Whoop. What you need to do is double click on it and move the rotation to the center. Now I like drawing in the center of the page, and this is why, because this thing should snap right to the center. So, and you can always check that with indexing lines by hitting P and then double checking your star. My star is not even actually in the center, but that is neither here nor there. So we've got it in the center, we've got 27.7, but Corel has actually ran it all the way out probably. We need 12 copies because we've already got one to make 13, and boom, there you are. You have the copies are exactly the spaces apart. We could actually test that a little bit. For verification, we can go from that node to that node, we have 206. That node to that node, 206. The last one's probably the most important, but we have 206. Now, that's one way to do it if the stars can be in that angle around there. I'm going to make another video on how you could do it another way. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.